How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Gopal.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have bread and coffee for breakfast.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read books or watch TV.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
The nearest bus stop is over there around the corner.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are gardening, reading, and painting.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music, especially pop and classical.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Are you feeling well today?
Yes, I feel great.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat healthy food and drink plenty of water.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is burger.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking different dishes.
What's your favorite drink?
I love drinking coffee.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I like watching Friends and The Office.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, it's called Queen, Learning I Chose.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have an iPhone.
How often do you use social media?
I use it every day to stay connected with friends.
What's your favorite app?
My favorite app is Instagram.
Where do you work?
I work at a software company.
What do you study?
I am studying English literature.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job because it's interesting.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate with my friends and family.
Do you like festivals?
Yes, I enjoy festivals because they are fun and colorful.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to relax and spend time in my garden.
Where do you usually shop for?
I usually shop at the local market.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have traveled to Mumbai.
Are you learning anything new?
Yes, I'm learning English and how to grow new plants in my garden.